Hi everyone, welcome to Word Guide. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Today we are going to explore how to use conditional formatting to analyze data in Excel. Let's get started. In this video, we'll be using conditional formatting to analyze data in Excel. Conditional formatting is a powerful tool that allows you to highlight cells based on their values, making it easier to spot trends and outliers. We'll be using a dataset of Apple prices over 3 years for this tutorial. Here, we have a table of Apple prices over the past 3 years. The data is organized by month, and we have prices for year 1, year 2, and year 3. Let's start by highlighting the cells where the Apple prices are above $1.5. First, select the range of the cells that you want to format. In this case, we'll select all price data. Next, we go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click on Conditional Formatting. From the drop-down menu, select the Highlight Cell Rules and then Greater Than. A dialog box will appear. Enter 1.5 in the field and choose a formatting style. We'll use a light red field with dark red text. Click OK to apply the formatting. You will see that all the cells with prices above 1.5 are now highlighted, making it easy to spot the higher prices. Next, let's use conditional formatting to create a data bar chart within the cells. This will visually represent the price changes over the 3 years. Select some range, go to the conditional formatting, and this time choose data bars. Choose a color gradient or solid fill that you would like. We'll use a blue gradient to fill for this example. Lastly, let's apply a color scale to see the price trends over the 3 years. Select the range of the cell, go to the conditional formatting, then select color scales. Choose a color scale that ranges from green to red, where green represents lower prices and red represents higher prices. Click OK to apply the color scale. With the color scale applied, you can easily identify the price trends, with green indicating lower prices and red indicating higher prices. And there you have it. We have used conditional formatting to highlight cells, create data bars, and apply color scales, making it easier by analyzing our Apple prices data. By mastering this tool, you can quickly gain insight from your data. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let us know what other Excel features you would like to learn about. Don't forget to subscribe to Word Guide and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing. Now you can see the data bars within the cells, giving you a clear visual representation of the price changes over time.